Hi there, I'm Akmakjian, jewelry expert at BriteCo Insurance, and today we're talking about rustic wedding decor ideas that feel intentional, elevated, and actually stylish. Because rustic weddings are incredibly popular, but the difference between beautiful and overdone really comes down to the details. So if you're planning a rustic wedding, here's how to do it the right way. If your rustic wedding feels too heavy or outdated, it's usually because everything looks the same. The fix is mixing textures, wood, linen, greenery, and glass all in one space. For example, raw wood tables paired with soft runners and clear glass elements instantly feel more balanced. Also stick to a tight color palette, neutrals, soft greens, and warm tones, so it feels cohesive, not cluttered. The contrast is what makes the rustic decor feel modern and elevated. Lighting is the fastest way to upgrade a rustic wedding. String lights are a great start, but layering is what actually creates that warm, romantic look. Add candles, lanterns, or even chandeliers to create depth and dimension. The goal is soft, warm lighting that makes the space feel inviting, especially at night. Good lighting doesn't just decorate the venue, it completely transforms the atmosphere. Most rustic wedding tables feel cluttered, and that's what brings the whole look down. Instead, focus on a few intentional pieces like greenery, candles, or simple florals, and small details like handwritten place cards or favors that double as decor. When everything has a purpose, the table feels clean, elevated, and thoughtfully designed. Simple always looks more expensive than overdone. Signage is one of the easiest ways to make a rustic wedding feel more put together. Think wooden signs, acrylic displays, or mirrors for welcome signs, seating charts, and menus. The key is consistency. Fonts, colors, and materials should all match your overall theme. You can also use signage to add personality with quotes or meaningful phrases. It's functional, but it also becomes part of the decor. The difference between a nice wedding and a memorable one is personalization. Start with the couple's story and build details around it. Photos, heirlooms, or custom elements. Even small things like signature cocktails, curated playlists, or inside jokes can make a big impact. These are the moments guests will actually remember. Personal touches are what makes the entire experience feel unique. The biggest takeaway? Rustic weddings aren't about doing more, they're actually about doing things intentionally. When every detail feels cohesive and personal, that's what makes the day truly stand out. And while you're planning all of this, don't forget to protect it too. BriteCo makes wedding insurance simple with fast quotes that you can get online in just minutes, so you can focus on enjoying the day without worrying about all the things that could go wrong. If you're planning a rustic wedding, drop a comment with your favorite ideas and don't forget to subscribe for more wedding tips.